start you. Yeah, soon as I you can go leave. Got M's in the bank like yes, indeed. Me and my dog going off the way. When you're living like this, they supposed to stay head.
And I was scared in truth or dare to call this guy at like 3 in the morning.
Mad question asking, blunt passing, mad question asking, blunt passing, music, mad question asking, blunt passing, music lasting, but I just can't quit because mad question asking, blunt passing, mad question asking, blunt passing, mad question asking, blunt passing, music lasting, but I just can't quit because back to the club, sipping my wet is where you find me. The back of the club, macking holes, my crew's behind me. The back of the club, sipping my wet is where you find me. The back of
What's good, chat? Let's get some W's in the chat. What is good, everyone? Hello, 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 hello. What y'all on? What y'all on? Where them W's at? Let's put y'all up here. Pop out chat. Boom, just like that, back with another night. Hope everyone has been doing amazing. Happy Wednesday / Thursday, wherever you are in the world. Actually, I think I'm the last. West Coast is last, so in 20 minutes it'll be Thursday for me as well. But I was looking at potential buys here on GJ. We're still sitting within this daily supply. Usually don't like buying while we're in supply, especially when we got this big reaction off of it, but I do think we are due for a pullback. This had a big bullish move. We're definitely back in equilibrium of this overall move. You could see here hitting out the 50%, and then as well as even if we were bearish from here, we could play the buys out because we would need to pull back into discount, you know. So both scenarios, even if you're bullish or bearish, I think would be looking for a potential reversal in one of these areas. So if I drop it on these lower time frames, y'all know how I like looking for those little W's and stuff. So basically here, I saw us kind of come sweep out this low. You look left, we're kind of just feeling some of this imbalance. But you look a little closer, all these exposed highs when we were coming down like this, and now we're coming down and reacting off this supply to kind of come. So if you don't know what I'm talking about, it's right here, this demand, not supply, sorry. You drop down to a lower time frame like this, similar thing where you fib up slow to this high, and we're getting a entry kind of like that, you know what I'm saying? 8 pips on GJ. Understood. Let me see. Let me see how it's looking on my end. Damn. It's pulling it up my broker. Y'all agree with these buys or what? It's good, Salva. How you doing, bro? Let's go check, make sure we don't have any news. Oh my god, I missed out on the whole move. What do you get for being a little hesitant little bitch? Oh, GBP 1145. What? There's no way. There's literally no way. That's hilarious. So we do have, it looks like we have a little bit of news in like 2 minutes. Did you know that, Saba? That frick? What, Matt, good to see you, brother. Alright, GJ starting to reverse, so not mad anymore. Kind of playing off this supply now. Oh my gosh, supply, demand, supply. So, I mean, I really haven't done my too big of due diligence since being on the chart, so let's see. We got the 15-minute close in 2 minutes. We also have news. So let's do a quick little outlook. Let's hop on over to the JPY basket. If you don't know what the JPY basket is, it's inverse correlated to GJ, so we can get a sense of direction. You can see here that we were super bearish, but we're getting kind of a low hook over here. The reaction to go up, we're meeting back up with the AMA over here, dropping down in lower time frames. Kind of came up, so I could kind of notice that we've kind of channeled up in a downtrend, which we could look for a fall. If this does fall down and go bearish, that means that GJ would be going up. But definitely keep an eye on that because it does look like it is flying. So I'll set an alert right here at the highs and see if we'll be breaking out for buys there. Because that would actually validate sells for GJ, but we'll have to wait on that. 15-minute. Hourly's rejecting pretty hard, you know what I'm saying? No fair value gaps really left on the lower time frames. Let's see what dollars on GJ. In for a tracement, eh? You really got news like that? Like, what's good? I think the next 15-minute. Alright, let's wait and see. Let's wait and see. One minute until potential news, guys. Let's see. Let's get rid of this too, but you guys know that's the daily supply. How'd this all of a sudden turn to 27 pips? Remember earlier we had an 8 pip stop loss? Bearish, bearish, bearish. We'll see here. No reports yet. Is anyone interested in these buys or not really? Y'all seen this? Wait on the news? I mean, the news came out, it looks like. I don't know why it's not telling us any of the results. Yo, Cigar, what's up, brother? I'm doing good. How are you? Kind of waiting on the news. It looks like we had some GBP news, but we had no forecast or didn't even show us the previous or anything, and then didn't even give us the actual release details. So that wasn't helpful at all. GBP here. Any more for us tonight? Not entirely. APY basket just hit my thing for buys. Yep, breaking out bullish. I'm looking at the wrong date. I literally in my head was thinking that, but I looked. Where's it at? Today. I thought the same thing. But today's the 23rd, no? It says it right here. And then this says 11:45 of Wednesday, October 23rd. Reload. I keep reloading. Reloading. I'm seeing Tuesday, October 23rd. I mean today, Wednesday, October 23rd. And it's all correct. So I think you're tripping. We even checked out gold. Gold was kind of a bust when I was looking at it earlier. Does not like. Jumped in to this like I'm Doodle Bob. Bro, did y'all see the USD CAD play from last night? I went over this on live stream last night, guys, when it came to USD CAD, this breakout for buys. Someone today when I had a mentorship call brought it up saying that they caught a 1 to 3 with it, but that they were mad because it kept going. Obviously, it went a total of 1 to like 12. Could have made 12%. Beautiful, beautiful. Y'all think we're just gonna sell off on GJ right now? I'd be pissed. Like what? Like why? You look at gold, please. It's just I don't think there's really that good of a trade on gold. That's why I didn't really go into it. My reasoning is that if you go like the hourly, big bullish push up, you can see here this was the low that caused this whole move. We now broke that low, so even if this was playing into equilibrium, it's moving super bullish into the zone. So like you go to lower time frames, nothing makes me want to sell because we're so bullish, but nothing makes me want to buy because like where would you even put your stop loss? All the way down here. I'm not a type of trader that's gonna take a trade like this. You guys will never take me. I'd rather wait for it to be down here, you know, tight stop loss, and try to get like the overall move. But I would never try to buy up here. There's no way. Ain't no way in hell. The gold to me as of now is not. I just need some structure to form. Even if it did come up and reject, maybe consolidate, break some highs, you know, something. But right now it's just moving in one direction and it's not the direction I even want it to be moving in. Truthfully. DJ selling. I'm just going to keep that position there because once again, there's no top wick on the candle where even if we do come get a, like if we don't break out these, if we don't break through these lows down here, these can get broken, you know, take some liquidity, whatever. Actually, no, even these last ones, whatever. But as soon as we come and get that break, we should just fly. Let's check out JER30 as well, because y'all know that we've been catching some bangers the last couple nights from it. And I'm definitely enticed to maybe condone some JER30 slaughtering. I don't condone violence when it comes to slaughtering JER30. I may indulge with you guys, to say the least. Wait to sweep the stop loss 100. Yeah. Wait for a sweep and have his tight stop. I mean, she could go. All right, let's check out Jared 30. Jared 30 chats. Damn. So let's break. Kind of in this channel, I could see we were in this channel up. Boom, we went down, and like, although it's not like a pretty channel, I just with my eyes can kind of see price has been channeling in between here. So now that we're kind of at the top, you can expect us to have some sort of sell off like that. So now it's kind of up to us to look a little in depth to see. So on the hourly retracement up into here, look kind of bullish. We could drop down to the 15 minute. It's taking out highs, hasn't even really tapped into this 15 minute supply, but it's still within like that range, like that downward range. No like really good trend line being formed, I would say. Something like, you know, where you're anticipating to pull back to this trend line. Can we expect a live stream like iShow Speed Home Tour or something, which might be fun, Luca? You guys want me to do IRL? Who here would watch me do an IRL stream? It's up to you guys. I'll do it. Just record what I'm up to. No liquidation, come on now. Those points, yes, we interested. Y'all interested like that? All right. Day in the life of me. Brother, when you come in Dubai, I will be in Dubai November, brother. Teach a McDonald's worker Forex. I do kind of want to take on someone that like doesn't know anything and turn him into a beast. It's kind of what the mentorship's doing. There's some people who have joined that, you know, really don't know anything about Forex at all. Did anyone see my story that I had? I just want to go through this real quick for anyone out there. Just some motivation. You go over to my story, you can see here. Boom, 2020 me. Broke. In college, not knowing what I wanted to do. Holes in the wall, partying, drinking every day. COVID had hit. School was online. Not doing anything, had no goals or ambitions, had no idea what trading was. All of a sudden, came across an MLO trading kind of thing that got me introduced to trading. You know what I'm saying? Best thing that could ever happen to me, truthfully, because I got addicted instantly, obviously. My whole mentality changed. I stayed in during the weekends when I had parties and all that type of stuff to really lock in. And this was how it kind of started. I actually went back and started kind of finding some of the old videos I could find and stuff. You could see here it shows the dates, 2021 of March of 2021. I have some other ones from January I posted, but you could see here March of 2021 flipping. You could see at the bottom, deposit 1,000, make 3,000 on it, you know, put in the fourth, you know, basically be flipping these little $1,000 into the 4,000s. And then once I would use that capital to reinvest into prop firms, I came across prop firms. Prop firms, to me, is what really started being able to like leverage my lot sizes and stuff. You could see here, passing FTMO back in, guys, look at the dates too. Like you guys can see if I click on it up here, July of 2023. It happened so quick. You see up here, it was March, couple months later, January, February, March, then April, May, June, July. Like a couple months later, came into prop firms, passed my first prop firm, was in FTMO. You can see the dates here, and you can see here, the lot sizes started to increase, as well as the payout, or, you know, $660 on one trade and $400 in the next trade, you know what I'm saying? And that's like adding up to a whole $1,000. You can see here, making $10,000, $200 trades, like whatever it may be. But it's exactly what I needed to start, you know, using that capital to get me to that next level, which was that next level is where I'm at now. You know what I'm saying? Making 5-figure days, 10K in a day is something that like I always thought was like super unrealistic, and that like, you know, it wasn't like that doable, truthfully. But I just want to let you guys know that it's really doable. At the end of the day, like I wanted to show you guys videos of me literally like broke as hell, holes in the walls, living like shit, didn't even know what trading was. I thought this was life, having fun, and then dude, just instant change, whole mentality changed, locked in, put my last little couple $1,000s into there, and the rest is history, truthfully. Kind of crazy to say, right, chat? Kind of crazy to see. Been a long way, been a long way. After all these, here you are, damn bro. Thank you, bro. Yeah, exactly. I just want you guys to know that, you know, anyone can do it. I'm not special if you guys put in the work, and I promise you, you guys can have the same results. All you have to do, bro, lock the frick in. I'm telling y'all, lock in and you won't regret it. Lock in and you, like, all I can say is you're never going to regret giving it your all. You're never going to regret giving anything 100%. So, give 100%, bro. I went from broke, using my last little $1,000, $2,000, and then flipping it, flipping it, buying prop firm challenges, going crazy. $1K for the day to 10 points, easy work. That's what I'm saying. Stops break even potentially. Caught the buys. You got in the buys. Nice, bro. Jeez. I need to start just upping my lot sizes and going for these little moves and just being like, I'm out. You know what I'm saying? And I'm out. I'm just gonna close. Exactly like what I said. I did. I'm out. Little scalps. I'm gonna look for another trade for you guys. Let's look for a high probability trade. This one wasn't high probability. I low-key am mad at myself for even getting into that trade, but that's why I got out. No liquidity's really been swept. I really just liked kind of the W within here, and then broke, but I just closed right here. I could show you too. That was pretty easy. Easy little scalp. You can see get in right there on the volume and got out. But I'm not like a big I'm not a big volume trader. I need like I need a proper setup. So low-key was not proud of myself for getting into that trade. So take the profit, jump out. Look for a re-entry that I agree with. USD CAD, you can see swept some lows and is having an impulse, potential pullback. It's just that when you look at GJ, this has been the move down and then it's done nothing but create equal lows now. You know what I'm saying? So even though we're getting kind of an impulse up, it could still easily come down and sweep these lows. And that's what I need to see before I look for some more buys. That's kind of why I got out, is I was like, you know what? This could just be a lucky trade. Jump out, you know? Because I know for a fact if I would have lost the trade, I would have been like stupid, you know, mad at myself. But the hourly is kind of in an awkward spot and shit. We'll wait to see. Gold kind of ugly. GU flying UK 100. Ooh, what's UK 100 doing? What's Jared 30 doing? Ooh, look at Jared. Oh, no, that's where we want to sell from. Break up. And a sell. Forgot bearish on it. Whether silver is the same as gold? No, they're different, brother. I mean, there's kind of a reversal pattern here, though. You guys can see here. That's a reversal pattern I usually look for that I missed on it, you know? Something to definitely... If y'all see this, definitely study this, guys. Whenever you see like a low get created, a low get taken out, and then it comes down and respects this low, this is the W's that I always just be kind of talking about, you know? It's just the extra. Having that left is so key. Having that left, then the, you know, basically this is the liquidation. This is what holds it to continue it. I usually point out the W's, which is right here, like this whole thing, this, and this, right? That's the W. But this part also is very important. Creates this low, takes out this low, creates the first part of the W, comes up, then respects this low right here, and then continues higher after the break. Does that make sense? Push me left, bro. I'm waiting for the bottom, looking for GJ. Ooh, nice. But you want to analyze individually for accuracy, yeah. Thanks for the stream, my closing profit. Thanks, man. Hey, congratulations. My whole thing is this, guys, that if I mark up a chart and you guys agree with it, then get into it. But don't just get into a trade because I say so, because then that's just, it's not going to help you. I mean, you can make money, I guess, in the moment or whatever, but it's not going to help you in the long run. I want you guys to be able to learn and stuff. Damn, I hope it doesn't just fly. Actually, no, like I said, I'm not, it wasn't really following my rules or anything, so I didn't really want to be in it. GJ's been kind of on kind of this bullshit sometimes lately, so I was like, you know what? I don't really want to miss it. I had to tell my friend today also get... Wait, what? I had to tell my friend that today also get because you understand yourself. I don't know if I read that right. Brother, is 1-to-1 good risk reward for trader, bro? I don't think so. I do not think so. No, thank you. I just think that trading just hit my TP, bro. Let's go. People are fucking winning tonight. Let's go. W's in the chat. But my whole thing is that I think that you can't really be perfect in trading. So the more risk to reward you have, the not as good of a win rate you can have, which then you can kind of counter with your losses, hold good risk to reward, and then remain profitable. So it makes most sense to me. Damn. Come on, GJ. I showed you guys I closed though. Like I for real closed. TP's hit though. Now TP's already been hit though. Stop loss was not this big. I just put this up here to show you guys. Stop loss is just under here. TP's have already been hit. $70 pip stop loss. Easy. Made it look too easy, bro. I mean, I come here and do it pretty often. You guys shouldn't be, y'all shouldn't be too surprised anymore. For the free too. I come here and just give you guys money. If y'all want to leave a tip, there's the donate button right under. Send me $1 so I can go get a free taco. No, I'm kidding. Hold on, I'll be right back though. Jesus, what the how the chat flying off the fucking screen. Make it look so freaking easy in this bitch. God. Thanks GJ for being my No, I'm kidding. Hitting the moon, brother. We hit the TP's hit like it's just, you know. Oh, what'd you order? Motherfucker. Okay, Jer. Y'all see Jer? I don't want beef with the bros. Bro! You fucking me right now, DJ? God. It's my own strategy. My own W. With my own W. Totally kidding. This is how not to act, chat. I'm just being funny. Bro, what's your strategy based on? I would say my strategy is based on waiting for retailers to get stopped out and then waiting for the little change of characters to continue. Reversal areas with overall trend. I don't know. I guess it was counter trend. Luca the best Luca the best fifth confluence in the business. If it doesn't continue at pass. Leave runners, yes sir. We get some W's in the chat. It is technically a W. A lot of you guys ate on this. I ate on a little bit of it. I wish I would have. Dude, I'm just kind of a bitch. Kind of a bitch. Get some W's in the chat though. Nah, more W's than that. W Luca. Come on, W Luca in the chat. W Lucas in the freaking chat, man. Come on. Come on now. More W's. W Luca in the chat. Come on now. Bro, if I was not on the live streams, I would think that it was fake because all we do is win. Like, you would think that it was just all fake results, but real results, live trading. Here we go. Thank you, GJ. W Lucas in the chat. Appreciate everyone for coming through. Stop missing out on the free live streams, guys. Live here basically every night on YouTube, so stop missing out. Thank you, GJ. Big W's. Took some pictures for the next flick. Thanks, Luke. I closed all my position, made $120. This is what I'm saying, bro. This is what people overcomplicate trading so much. People just overcomplicate it. The people really out here just eating like it's nothing. Like, what have I told you guys? That I made $460 because the candle went from right here and I closed it right here. Like, would you believe me? I know if I called my freaking grandma right now and I told her, hey grandma, look at this look at this candle. It went up a little bit. I made $1,000. She would fucking shit herself. Like, what? She'd think I was smoking crack. No one thinks you can make money off these candlesticks, you know what I'm saying? But hey, internet money, bitch. Damn, what was that? Is that a news candle? The fuck? Whoa. R.I.P. Damn, what? Hope y'all know that's 30 pips in like 2 seconds. Salvo, what's up with GJ tonight, bro? What'd you do? Bro, we called a banger tonight though, chat. What's good? GJ was the first buy I talked about when I got on stream. That's actually the only thing I went over today. I didn't look at gold. I think the only pair I went over was GJ because that's the only thing I really was looking at. I thought it looked good. Chair 30, what's good? Oh, mother. We got New York highs right here though. Wait and see. So glad you closed. I'm saying, bro, everyone loves being in profit. All I gotta say is if it gets to a point where you're screenshotting and you're thinking and you start putting W's in the chat, yeah, Luca, I'm eating, da 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 da. All I gotta say is that's how you do it. Yo. All kinds of news coming up. I kind of like this pullback too, guys. We're super bullish. We just broke structure, so what we could look for, honestly, is a re-entry above the break of these highs. If anyone's interested, get like a 20 pip stop loss or something. Eat real quick. We close above the trend line. Let y'all know. Baby Luca. When I make it to Cali, I buy the tacos and find the tortas. Hey, yo, bro. You trying to find the tortas? Hey, man, I might know a place. Won't be the 25K account, like completely new to this. You gotta ask Real Action Road to Success. He calls the shots. I just work here. You gotta ask him. Welcome, buddy. Yeah, but welcome to the gang, bro. This is how we do it every night. If this is your first night being here, just catching bangers, all I gotta say is stay tuned, because it's just the beginning. I'm off to bed. New York Open should be good. My respect. Ah, well, the boss is going to bed, guys. We gotta go. Live over. Done. Boss said peace. Boss man said peace out. I'm telling y'all, Jared's probably gonna sell though. Oh God. Luke, I completed my phase 1 yesterday with a 10% gold trade on GU. That's amazing, bro. Congratulations. Goal rejection. The EU? What the fuck? Like what? Kind of candlesticks are that, Awanda? No, thank you. Yeah, GJ was the only thing good tonight. I had good structure. Like, you guys remember GJ last night when we went and looked at it? It was ugly. Like, let's go over to it. Like, when I went and looked at it, it was just doing this. This is what GJ did yesterday. I didn't know what to do. I was like, what do I do? Couldn't even trade it. Used to think about this side. Guys. Damn, what happened? Why'd everyone dip out? Put W's in the chat if you're here. Make sure you guys like the stream too. We should have like 50 people and just drop down to 20. The hell, what'd I do? I smoked once and everyone left. Oh, it ended for a second? What the fuck? Bro, I swear, like, why is it my lives? Like, I know for a fact y'all don't go to any, like, famous streamer or famous fucking... Like, bro, I bought a couple $1,000 PC. I pay hella for the Wi-Fi to check it in. Why the fuck do I, like, mine, like, end here and there? It don't make no sense to me. Like, what? W. Luca, thank you guys. I hope you guys know that it means a lot. Like, your guys' support and shit, it does mean a lot, so hope you guys know I don't just take it for granted. Like, to y'all just like, oh, W Luca calling a winning trade, but I mean, yeah, I guess I am like providing a trade or whatever, but at the end of the day, it's like you guys are hyping me up and supporting me, so I appreciate it. But if you guys want to come kick it with the team, bro, I don't know how you guys are not a part of the NLT community yet. This is the link to, whoa. What the heck? Where'd my products go? What? Why did WAP do this? This looks like shit. What the fuck? I'm so confused. Click on the link Salva says. Sent. Click on that link and join. Does JR30 have a JR40? Or DAX? Isn't DAX it? Bro, why did WAP do that? Why am I like just now on the only the trading journal? Dummy confused. I need to cut some of these down now. Wait, if I click on Salva's link, no, it's the same shit. Like, what? That is so weird. Oh well. How's everyone doing though? How's your guys' trading week been? It's crazy. Little breakout during London on NAS and SPX and shit. I guess on Jared too. My shit looks like a fucking... Looks like a bunch of scribbles on the line for me right now. No trade time for me. Yeah, like I said, GJ was the only thing when I sat down on the chart. Like if we go to the freaking live stream and rewinded it, I got on here and instantly when I saw, like, bro, I can just draw it because I can so vividly see it in my head. Whenever I see like a low and then a nice like dump down like this, where I see this low getting taken out right here, and then I see like a trend line like this formed, and then I see like a break, and then us tapping right back into it. This just gets me freaking just, I don't know the word to not be weird. But this is like my bread and butter. Shit like that. We already won a trade, bro. Nah, not everyone won that trade. I didn't really call it out loud. Usually when I call a trade, I'll say like, oh, I'm getting in here, like all that type of stuff. I mean, I had it up on the screen. It's just when I saw it, I had it opened on my phone, and when I saw it kind of pushing above the high with volume, I just got it and I jumped in. Truth be told, but I also knew that it wasn't really that high probability of a setup, so that's why I closed right. I literally closed right in here, bro. Like I caught 8-9 pips out of the, let's see how far the move went. And the move went 44, so I only called like 1/4 of it. It's kind of not the best, but you know, it's all good. Following my plan. Know what I'm saying? Just keep swimming, just keep swimming. W music. I don't even fucking have any music on. Okay. Drop some bars. Yo, check it. I get pips on it. No, I'm totally kidding. Could you imagine? Might have to. Bro, one of my boys, I'm pretty sure, bro, I've actually never looked up his stuff. We should look it up here, chat, all together for the first time. Y'all know the Flip King? Y'all know the homie, the Flip King? He did the Forex Beginner podcast and all this type of stuff. But I'm pretty sure. That's so funny. Ollie stuff pops up when I type in flipping. I forgot Ollie did some crazy flips. Flipping $100 to $3,400 in one trade. What the fuck? That's crazy. I'm gonna have to find it for you. Find it. Bro, he'll put it behind the stuff. Alright, for everyone who wasn't here, I'm gonna go through my story one more time. Guys, I was just a dumb, stupid mother trucker. Broke. Lost. No money. I sound dramatic. And then I came across IML. Did I learn anything from IML? No, but it introduced me to trading and it was the best thing ever. That completely changed my life. And it made me addicted to trading, just being a part of it. You guys can see here, these were little $1,000 accounts. I was flipping to 4K. I almost posted, like, I didn't want to post too, I mean, because I already posted a lot. You know, like I already posted 5 stories in a row of it. But one of the, this same account, it's like a week later or something, is I have some trades open and the account's at like 6K and I was floating 9K. These are back when I wasn't even recording myself, not doing anything YouTube. Like I wish I was, dude, it would have been sick. But I just have random screenshots and shit from back in the day and I just remember this type of stuff. But it goes to show if you guys have the right, you know, strategy and mindset, everything, you can do it. Here you could see July started coming across prop firms. Fun fact, I actually passed the first ever prop firm that I ever did, which, you know, not a lot of people can say. But I mean, I thought I was just getting lucky anyways. But ultimately, the whole reason I put this up and I'm showing you guys this whole story is because you guys can do it too. You know what I'm saying? I'm not special. I know for a fact you guys can do it. I was in your guys' shoes and I was in the, you know, damn. Good GJEU. Oh my God. What is happening? I know for a fact I'm gonna wake up tomorrow and GJ's gonna be like all the way up here. I'm gonna be pissed. I look, you kind of knew it. GJ's been on this bullshit for a minute. Well, if any of you guys got into the scaling entry. Damn. Damn for that candle. Yeah, I know. It's actually pretty annoying. And I'm free. Free falling. But the opposite way. We're going up. We're not falling. Damn, guys. Sitting almost 1 to 4. It's crazy when the news and the Jedis are did I say Jedis? I meant Jedis. When the Jedis are on your side. How do you call the downside of longs, bro? Can you explain once again for us, please? Yeah, so basically, like, how I like to trade is looking for overall impulses in the retracement. So, if you guys know how I like to trade, I like looking at, first off, direction. You can see here we're in a bullish market. I then looked for where I considered the impulse leg at, which I considered here. Kind of fibbed it up, and you can see here that we finally pulled back and we're in equilibrium, which is under the 50%. Kind of zoomed in, and you can see here that we just, you know, I've been moving down, making lower highs, all like this, literally all the way down, like even on the lower time frames. When you go to the 1 minute, 5 minute, everything, we just were kind of channeling down into these lows, where then after we had this big push down, liquidated these lows, and then had a little push up here that this didn't really break structure here, but it kind of, you know, just showed a big move here. We took the lows out and then started respecting this demand. So when I went to the 1 minute, I saw us create this W. We kind of came here, swept liquidity, broke structure, came back down, tapped here, and then I was just looking for the entry here off this W pattern. A W is basically just a double bottom. You can see here that it looks like a W, but all W really is just a double bottom. You can see here. Double bottom support, thingy majiggy to make us money. W trade explanation. Bro, I'm telling y'all, it's the same. I go over it all the time because I do this shit all the time. It's the same setup. I literally take very, very, very similar setups all the time. You guys see me take them too. I don't really, you know, I wouldn't say I lied to you guys really about anything. That view is low-key so crazy. I always take it for granted. Never take anything for granted. Life's great, bro. Life's amazing. When you talk about it, it seems so simple. Think about it like this, guys. I call these setups like a slingshot. When price kind of flies in one direction and pulls back, think of it like this is like the handle. Like we could just draw it out. But it's like this is the handle, right? Of the slingshot. And this is like the thing getting pulled back, right? Pulling back. And then guess what? When you pull this freaking slingshot back enough, what's gonna happen? It's gonna go boing. I call that the buy thingy majig. Dope loud. It's annoying. Man, you can't ignore it. Oh, Asia highs was hit. That would be my final TP, honestly. If you guys are still in there, final TP hit. Final TP hit there, guys, with Asia highs getting hit. You can see here we almost hit that 1 to 4. We hit that 1 to 3.5 risk to reward. Bro, really? That's how you make some moolah. That's how you make some money, baby. Bro, this is crazy. I want to calculate it, but you guys can see where that first freaking buy position was. And look at that. Oh, that's disgusting. That's pretty gross. I can't lie. Let's go count how many pips. All right, it says I made... yeah, about 10 pips. I knew it. Like 9.2. So lame. Why were you unsure about that trade? When I went out to the 5-minute, I guess it was more the 15. I thought it was the 5-minute. I guess the 5-minute too, but like, I guess the 5-minute here, you can kind of see someone sweeping this liquidity, but I'm a big liquidity guy. When I see like just a low get created and then equal lows, I like when equal lows get taken out, it respects, and then I take the trade back up. So I just didn't really see a lot of liquidity being taken. But it wasn't a bad setup. I'd say also looking left, like, wasn't really playing off of anything. Really big impulse. Really just played price action. I'm just really good at price action. You know what I'm saying? When I know that's gonna go, I just freaking just see that shit and just freaking just You know what I'm saying? You gotta learn the And if you want to learn the bro, mentorship is starting this Sunday. And we got a pretty good group together. But if you guys want to join, it's your last chance. I'm telling y'all. Get profitable before 2025. 30 days live training with me. As well as, you know, like the weekly calls, homeworks, full access lifetime to my signals in the Discord. So you literally just get all my shit, which is pretty honestly kind of crazy. As well as my hidden course that literally is not listed anywhere. So if that interests you guys, and you guys want to learn how I literally catch setups like this, or how I go from literally a broke freaking, like, look at this guy. Does this look like a guy who now lives like this? Guys, look in this video, the holes in the wall. This was me, holes in the wall, constantly every night, just boom, wrecked house, disgusting, cans everywhere, things thrown into the wall. This was me then the next year living in my fraternity house still, this small little area. Bro, I gotta, don't make me. Look where we at now. We in the hills. We in the hills with it, bro. This view is crazy. This is literally what trading can do with you guys if you guys really just lock in. I know you guys can do it. It's literally crazy. I'm no different than you guys. All I know is I'm just willing to do things that you guys aren't willing to do to get the results. Take risks, and you guys can do it too, I'm telling you. Telling you I was not supposed to be here. Bro, y'all gave the, I always say it, the Forex gods, because 99% of traders quit and fail. The gods picked a goofy motherfucker to be part of the 1%. I'm just goofy. The goofiest goofiest Forex trader that he is. No, I'm kidding. But on the real, guys, I am gonna get out of here. I think that it kind of wraps. London Open was pretty fire tonight with the volume and shit. It actually felt like a good, strong session. Little GJ buys, made a couple $100, whatever. Dope as fuck. Appreciate y'all. Like I said, you guys are not far away from the results you guys are looking forward or looking towards. I promise you. There's a reason why a lot of people you see have done it. They just made sacrifices and took risks that you need to do too. That party you want to go to on Friday, you may have to miss it. That extra little money you want to spend to go do that, but you might need to do it to go invest in a prop firm challenge. I have to do it, buddy. Hate to break it to you, but the sacrifices you need to make to get to that next level. I was literally, this picture, guys, like I said, right here, this picture is me, iPad in my hand, freaking computer out, this is in my fraternity house dorm room. Had a little couch right here. I would stay in on the weekends when literally next door would be my fraternity parties that I lived there, that at the place I lived right before where all those holes were and shit. And I was so disciplined and so dedicated to learning the craft of trading that I was just not going out. I was so locked in. You know what I'm saying? So, I'm not here showing it off, guys. I literally just wanted to show you, because there are people out there who may think that I came from like a solid background, or my parents gave me money to do this or all this type of shit. It's like, no, bro, I'm telling you, I literally had $0. Parents weren't giving me any money to trade or anything. Really just was a broke college student freaking that used his last couple dollars to flip into a Porsche, basically. Basically just a Porsche. Did you finish college? Yes. I graduated all 4 years. I figured out about college my sophomore year. By the time I was a senior, like you saw, I was already passing prop firm challenges, flipping accounts and stuff. And I was able to pursue trading and just be a full-time trader out of college. I damn near was just there to have fun and be in a fraternity. No, but I was locked in. Like I said, I found out about trading my sophomore year. By junior year, locked in, already making money and shit. Is there still a Discord group? I don't find it. Yeah, it should be somewhere. But here on WAP, one of these things, exclusive anti-mentorship. Oh, here, join thousands of traders on Discord. It's right in here as well. But guys, here's the list to all the products. If you guys want to join my signals, you guys can come and literally take my trades over here, whatever. These beautiful things that I got. Crazy. All right. Like I said, I appreciate you guys. Thank you guys for a fire stream. I'll see you guys back tomorrow. Luckily, we do have one more night of the week. I'm gonna stay up, look for a potential trade, but appreciate everyone who did show up and ate with us. Love you guys, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Make sure to click that link, come join the gang, and then also if you guys are interested in the mentorship, let me know. And also, I brought this up last stream as well, but if any of you guys need a funded account, like actually trade with a live account, I can give you a funded account. You know what I'm saying? All the way up to $1 million, which is also kind of crazy, like I said. So if any of you guys need that, I'm doing it myself as well. It's not something that I'm not participating in as well. I got an account myself, so if anyone else wants one, limited time offer. You guys can DM me on Instagram. Here's my Instagram. Right here. But I think the lowest accounts they have too is like 10K or whatever. Oh. Y'all can DM me on Instagram and just DM me, say funded, and you guys can go do that type of stuff, and I'll send it to you guys and get you funded. But appreciate y'all. I'll catch you guys on the next one. That's it. That's all I got for you today, chat. Peace out. Bye, y'all.